All right, on this video, this is task project 3 of 7. It says duplicate slide most popular. Okay, so let me find the slide. There it is. All right, so I want to right click, and here it says duplicate slide. I have 2. That's done. On task 2, it says make a slide titled other activities visible. So I want to see where I can find the slides. And I'm looking to see where it could be. I'm thinking here. All right, let's do that. And it's not giving me and I say hide slide. And that's done. Then here, display the date in the upper right-hand corner of handouts created from presentation. So in the View tab, I want to go to the Masters group and here, and in the placeholder, and I'm not seeing that. Oh, there. In the placeholders, I want to put date, and then I want to close. So that's done. Task 4, reorder the presentation so the last slide title, Adventurous Trails, is slide 3. So this is it. I want to bring it up to slide 3. That's easy. And then slide 5, change the handout settings to print 3 slides per page. So I want to go File and Print. And I want 3 slides per page. That's all. I don't have to do anything else. It's done. So I grade the project. I got them all right. So I'm going to continue, and I'm going to edit this video.